Okay, so how much does it really cost going to the barbershop? Well, let's really break down the journey from you leaving your house to getting your haircut to getting back home. Now, in your mind, if I asked you how much does it cost you to get a haircut, you're probably going to tell me the price that you paid when you were in the barbershop. So it could be £10, £15, £25, whatever the cost may be. But in reality, going to the barbershop costs you a lot more than you think. So before you've even got to the barbershop, the first thing that going to a barbershop costs you is time. And that's time that you can never get back. Now, if your barbershop's local to you, it's just around the corner, that's all good. But I know people who travel halfway across London just to go to their barbers. They'll travel for an hour and a half, 2 hours. I know people who've gone to university in Birmingham and travel back to London just to get a haircut from their barber. So the first thing that getting a haircut really costs you is time. The journey to the barbershop and the journey back. But also, when you're at the barbershop, there's still a lot of barbers out there, as many of you will know, who do not take appointments. So therefore, the time that you're spent waiting in the shop is even more time being spent. Now, the barbershop I used to go to before I did my own hair, you could be waiting for 2, 3, 4 hours sometimes to get in the chair with the barber that you wanted because they were so popular. People from the moment the shop opened in the morning at 8 o'clock, a barber could have 3 people already lined up. So the queue just got longer and longer and longer. So the time it takes you waiting to get in the chair, once again, you've heard me say this before, time has no refund policy. Once you spend it, you can't get it back. So time is the most precious commodity that we have. So you've got the expense of time, and then you've also got your travel expenses. If you're driving or you're on public transport, you've got the cost of your fuel or your bus journey or your train journey to the barbershop. And then you've actually got your haircut itself. So say you spent £15 for your haircut, say including beard, including your beard as well. When you add in your haircut, say £15, your cost of travel to the barbershop, and then the time you've spent, in monetary terms, you've probably spent, say, £20 just for the haircut and the cost of travel there. But then something that you can't put a value back on is time. So the amount of time it's cost you, say for example, 2 hours of your time, going there, getting your haircut, going home. That's a lot of time. So going to the barbershop actually costs you a lot more than you think it does. And that's why some people will pay for a private barber, because they value their time and their convenience more than, say, the cost of the actual haircut. But leave some comments below, let me know what you think about this, and it'll be interesting to see what you have to say. Alright, take care guys.